Hi, I'm David Soper, and today I'll be going through an overview of the Cisco Intersight Infrastructure Service and how to configure server profiles. I'll start out on the Infrastructure Service page, and I've got some servers showing here that are under Intersight Management. And if I select one of those and try an action on it to launch virtual KVM, I'll see that I can't do that at this point because there are no management IP addresses assigned. So to address that issue, I'll now take a look at creating server profile templates so that I can enable virtual KVM on those servers. So in the configure menu, I can create a server profile template. I'll give it a name since it's being used in some of our labs in San Jose. I'll set for FI attached as the server type, and then I'll go in and attach policies to it. The policy that I need to enable virtual KVM is an IMC access policy. I'll take a look at the existing policies I have here, and these already have the needed config, including IP ranges that I'll need for virtual KVM. So if I then select that policy as my IMC access policy, that's the only policy I'll set up here, but you could also go in and set up any other compute management or storage configuration as needed. Now I'm ready to go and derive server profiles from that template. So when I derive profiles, this will allow me to assign a set of servers to that profile. I'll look for my SJC07 servers, and I've got a few of those that I will select, and then I can go in and actually derive those profiles. So this will name those as derived profiles from that template, and once I click derive, those new profiles are created and attached to that template. Go into configure and profiles. I can see my derived profiles that are named with that SJC07, and I can select a set of those and I can go in and do a deploy. And I'll see my status change from not deployed to OK, indicating those are now active on the servers. And if I pick the one I tried earlier, server 1, looking at that server's detail pages, I can go into actions, and I can again try this launch vKVM. And this time I see that that's actually going to work. With my profiles derived and deployed from the template, now I'll take a look at updating the template with configuration changes. So back in the configure menu, templates, I'll select my SJC07 template and I'll edit that. And right now I just have an IMC access policy defined. What I'll do is go into the network configuration and I'll take a look at LAN connectivity policies so that I can get those VNets on my lab network. I'll select an existing one I have that has all the setup needed for my lab, and then I will add that to the template. I've already got profiles derived, so I don't need to do that, and instead what I'll do is go back in and take a look at the profiles themselves. And these are now showing non-deployed changes. Like I did earlier, I can go and actually select multiple profiles at once, and I can select deploy, and now it will go and make those config changes on those servers. So I've added in that LAN connectivity policy, and again those status will change to OK after just a little while. So that was a quick look at server profile templates and profile usage. Other actions that you can perform on these templates include cloning, detaching from template if you want it separated out from there, and a lot more information out on intersight.com/help. Thank you.